Good morning, students. In the previous class, we had discussed about estimating the products. Now today I am going to teaching about estimating the quotient. Exercise 1F. Open your math book, page number 16. Find the estimated quotient for each of the following. Question number 1 to 10. All the questions 1 to 10. Firstly, we will estimate all the numbers, then after divide it. See here, I have solved some questions. Question number 2, 83 divided 17. 83 estimated to the nearest 10 is equal to 80. 17 estimated to the nearest 10 is equal to 20. Estimation is equal to 80 divided 20 is equal to 4. Question number 6 is 275 divided 25. 275 estimated to the nearest 100. When the digit is 3, then we have estimated to the nearest hundreds. Then when the digit is 2, then we have to estimated to the nearest 10. Then see here, 275 estimated to the nearest 100 is equal to 300. 25 estimated to the nearest 10 is equal to 30. Now estimation is equal to 300 divided 30 is equal to 10. Now you can solve all question of exercise 1F. Now see next exercise. Next exercise is Roman numerals. See here, Roman numerals. One of the early systems of writing numerals is the system of Roman numerals. There are 7 basic symbols to write any numeral. किसी भी नंबर को लिखने के लिए यहाँ 7 basic symbols है. See here, page number 17. Roman numeral, Hindu Arabic numeral. We will write I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. You have to learn this. Now see next page. Here the Roman number is written from 1 to 20. Now you have to learn all these Roman numerals. See here some rules. Repetition of a Roman numerals means addition. Only I, X, C, M can be repeated. अगर कोई न्यूमरल रिपीट होता है, रोमन न्यूमरल रिपीट होता है, इसका मतलब एडिशन होता है. और सिर्फ I, X, C और M ही रिपीट हो सकता है. I for 1, X for 10, C for 100 and M for 1000. 2. V, L and D are never repeated. V, L और D कभी भी रिपीट नहीं होता है. अगर V और V लिखा रहा है, इसका मतलब कुछ भी नहीं. 10 के लिए X का यूज करते हैं. नो सिम्बॉल कैन बी रिपीटेड मोर देन 3 टाइम्स. कोई भी सिम्बॉल्स 3 टाइम्स से ज़्यादा रिपीट नहीं हो सकता है. लाइक X, 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 it means 30. C, 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 it means 100. 3. Smaller numeral written to the left of a larger numeral means subtraction. अगर कोई स्मॉलर नंबर लेफ्ट में हो और लार्जर नंबर के लेफ्ट में अगर कोई स्मॉलर नंबर हो, इसका मतलब सब्ट्रैक्शन होता है. V, L and D are never subtracted. V, L और D कभी सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होता है. I can be subtracted from V and X only. Like IV, it means 4. IX, it means 9. Then I can be subtracted from V and X only. See here, x can be subtracted from L and C only. X means 10. Then XL for 40 and XC for 90. 4. C can be subtracted from D and M only. C can be subtracted from D and M only. It means C सिर्फ 500 और 1000 से ही सब्ट्रैक्ट होता है. C means 100 like 400 CD, 900 CM. Now see exercise 1G, page number 19. Express each of the following as a Roman numeral. Question number 1, 2. For 2, I, 8, V, triple I. Now see some solution I have solved. Firstly see here, 9. 9 means 10 minus 1. Then we will retain IX. We will write IX. See here, 49. 49 means 50 minus 1. Then we will write XLIX. Now see question number 1. Express each of the following as a Roman numeral. Question number 4, 29. 29 means 20 plus 9. For 20 we will write X or X. Then for 9 we will write IX. Then answer is XXIX. Question number 11, 91. 91 means 90 plus 1 is equal to, for 90 we will write XC or for 1 we will write 1. Question number 15, 114. We will write 100 plus 10 plus 4. For 100 we will write 6 C. For 10 we will write X. For 4 we will write IV. Then answer is CXIV. Now see question number 2. Express each of the following as a Roman numeral. Question number 3. 226. See in your book. 226 is equal to CC for 200, XX for 20, BI for 6. Now see question number 6. 596. 500 plus 90 plus 6. For 500 we will write D. For 90 we will write XC. For 6 we will write BI. Then answer is DXCBI. If you can write all answer direct, then you don't have to write in this way. You don't have to expand these questions. You can write direct all answers. Now see question number 3. Write each of the following as a Hindu Arabic numerals. Question number 1. XXVII. For XX we will write 20. BII we will write 7. Then 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. See question number 8. CXI. For C 100. For X 10. For I 1. Then answer is 111. Now see question number 15. DCCLXVI. For D we will write 500. For CC we will write 200. For L we will write 50. For X we will write 10. And for VI we will write 6. Then answer is 766. Now see next question. So that each of the following is meaningless, give reason in each case. You have to show that the following question is meaningless. See question number 1. BC. B is never subtracted. Therefore, BC is wrong. Now see question number 2. IL. I can be subtracted from B and X only. Therefore, IL is wrong. Now you can solve exercise 1F and 1G in your homework copy. Thank you.